Hey guys, it's Montana, and today we're going to correctly show you just how easy it is to unload a roll-off dumpster at a job site. Okay, so you finally pulled the trigger on your roll-off business and headed down to Texas Pride to get you one, and now you're ready to start turning trash into some cash. Well, the first thing you're going to need to do is unload your dumpster, so let's get to it. Before you start, the two most important things you need to double check for is doors are latched and the winch is engaged. If you forget to do either or both, you can damage your doors if they swing open, or your dumpster can roll straight back from the momentum of the tilt. You don't want either to happen. And another thing to keep in mind before you start unloading, you want to make sure you're on as level a ground as possible so that you're not having to continuously make adjustments before the can is even unloaded. And the very last step before you start, release your DOT hook. Ground's good, doors are latched, winch is engaged, and your DOT hook is free at last. So let's drop this bad boy. This really is pretty quick and simple. Turn on your wireless remote and start raising your hydraulic cylinders. As you're doing this, you're going to want to start using the winch to lower your dumpster. If your winching has gotten ahead of your tilt like this, do not continue releasing the cable. Instead, take a couple of beats to get some more tilt action going, and then continue lowering your dumpster. But there's one more thing to do before it hits the ground, which keeps your dumpster from just hitting the ground. You want to tilt your frame until it's as close to the ground as possible, approximately 2 inches from the ground, so that your dumpster touches down with ease. Just like that. Hey, just because our dumpsters are built to take a beating like no other dumpster on the market, doesn't mean they don't like special treatment every once in a while. Now just unhook the cable from the D-ring and wind it back up. And that's that, your dumpster's ready to work. And now you're ready to head back to the shop, grab another dumpster and drop it off at the next site. I'll be back soon to show y'all how to load a dumpster after it's been filled and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Texas Pride, get you one.